Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. First, open your YouTube application on your iPhone, then click on your profile icon at the top bottom right corner. Then here you will find all your like videos. Now if you want to delete all the like videos, you just need to click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Simply click on it, and then you just need to go to manage all history here. Simply click on it. Now it will redirect you to the Google account page, where you just need to go to interactions. Now from here, the first option is video likes and dislikes. Click on it. Now here you will find all the video that you have liked and disliked. If you want to delete a specific videos like, then you can simply click on the cross icon that appears on the video. Simply click on it and simply click on delete. Now you can see I have just deleted the video from my YouTube. Now you can see a message, a confirmation message that deletion complete. Now you just need to click on got it. But if you want to delete all the liked videos that appears on your YouTube account that you have liked till now, just simply you will find the today tab, and at the right you will find a cross icon. Simply click on it to delete all the videos that you have likes or dislikes on YouTube videos till now. That's how you can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.